So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Whoa! Hey! You probably didn't recognize me with my hard hat on and my safety vest. Oh, and look down here. Yeah. Whoa! Yeah, this and that back there, these are what's called a skid steer. And today, in this video, I am gonna show you some fun things to do with the skid steer. Okay, gotta get this nice and perfect. I'm ready. Hey, seatbelt on, lap bar down, let's fire up. Okay, here I go. Whoa! Will you pick a skid steer with me so we can drive it? Yeah, come on. There's so many right here. Should we drive this one? Nah. What about this one? Whoa, nah. This one? It's a dandy, but nah. This one? No. Whoa! This one looks awesome! Okay, I'm gonna drive it, but in order to drive it, we need some safety equipment on. Okay, got my hard hat, and then I got my safety vest. It's nice and bright and orange, so then everyone can see us. It's so safe! Okay, and last but not least, check that out! I got the keys! Okay, seatbelt, lap bar, here we go! Do you hear that engine purr? Yeah! Nice purr! Meow! Okay. Yeah. Here I go! Side of the skid steer. See? I'm wearing my safety belt. That is the first rule. All right, now I'm buckled in. These are how you operate the skid steer. This one makes the skid steer go forward. Whoa, backward, left and right. Woo, whoa. And then this one operates the bucket. Whoa, 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 whoa. Pull it back, it raises. Push it forward, it lowers. Okay, now I'm gonna lower the lap bar and then scoop a giant bucket. Here we go. Oh wait, I'm gonna tell you to get away real quick by the horn. Watch out. Here I come. Watch this! I'm gonna raise the bucket really high in the sky! Whoa! Whoa! Look at how high it is up there! Okay, I'll bring it back down. Oh, that's so cool! I'm gonna take off now! Okay, now I'm gonna teach you the parts of the skid steer. Come on! Ooh, this right here? Yeah, this is a bucket. It's pretty big. These are the hydraulic cylinders that attach to the attachment. Woo! And the loader arm, wow! The loader arm is what lifts up the attachment and down the attachment. And this hydraulic cylinder is the loader arm hydraulic cylinder. Oh, look! These, yeah, are the wheels and the tires. Whoa! 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 Come on! Whoa. Back here is where the engine of the skid steer is. Look at this! Whoa! 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 Check this out! Wow! We have the radiator, where you put the oil, the diesel, the air filter! Oh, and my favorite part, whoa, where you check the engine oil. Do you see it? Yep, looks pretty good. Let's put that back right there. Okay. Let's close this. Okay, let me show you some more. These are pretty important. Look, these are the auxiliary hydraulics. This is what the attachments get its power from. Whoa, wow. Whoa, so shiny. Ooh, look. Wow, this right here, yeah, it's not a skid steer. No, this is a compact track loader. And the reason why they call that is because right here, these are tracks. They're not wheels and tires. These tracks are really good to go over mud and dirt, and you won't get stuck. Whoa! 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 Driving the skid steer. Okay, now I'm gonna take off the bucket, and then we're gonna choose a different attachment. Watch this. Did you see what I just did? See? This is where the attachments attach to. Whoa! Well, now that there's nothing here, I think we should go find one. Whoa! Look at all of them. Well, that's the bucket, obviously. And then some pallet forks used to pick up some pallets. Whoa! And then the trencher, it digs some trenches. We'll come back here. Whoa! Look at all these bristles. This is called Sweeper McGee. And it cleans a bunch of roads and driveways and streets. Ooh! And some auger bits. Look at these. They're like giant screws. And then a Harley rake. This is used to prepare some soil. And then over here, we just have a bunch of grapple buckets. Wow. Okay, now we need to pick one of our favorites. How about, yeah, some pallet forks. Okay, come back here. I'm gonna hop back in, and then we'll go grab the pallet forks. Watch. All right. You have to get nice and straight. Okay. There they are. Oh, line it up. Perfect. If you got it, you have to curl the attachment. So let's see if it falls off. Oh, see? It just fell off. Good thing we tested that. Okay, now we gotta try it again. Okay, I think it's locked in, but like I said, we have to test it, so check this out. Yeah! It didn't fall off, so we're good to go. Now, let's go pick up a pallet. Let's lift it up. Yeah, we did it! You see all that? There's a bunch of garbage next to the pond. I think we should clean it up and dump it out. Okay, we have a bucket. Put in the bucket. Ooh, ew. I love cleaning up the environment. Okay, here we go. Woo, come over here. Look, another trash bag. Okay, and then, oh, nice chair. Looks like someone fell through though. Okay, put that in the bucket. Ooh, here's another. That's a lot of trash we cleaned up. Good job. Woo! And we have a piece of cardboard. Oh, what's this? Looks like a cable. Gotta get that. Whoa, where does it go to? Whoa! Oh! This was in the swamp down there. Oh! Look! It's a vacuum from the 1700s. We should throw that away too. Okay. Ooh, and a couple more. Looks like we have another trash bag and some kitty litter. Woo! Okay. Wow. Good job. You. Okay, now let's go to the dumpster and dump it out. Okay, go. Alright, get up there. Alright. Looks good right there. Okay, here we go! Whoa! time for the Skid Steer song. Hey now, looky here. I got a brand new skid steer. A small engine-powered machine, and it can do most anything. It's a snowblower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. It's a snowblower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. My skid steer can load a truck, push some heavy things and carry heavy stuff. It can dig down in the dirt, like basements under homes built into the earth. It's a snowblower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. It's a snowblower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. Little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. It's a snowblower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. It's multi-terrain, that means it works everywhere. It rolls on 4 wheels and on tracks as well. That's my skid steer. My skid steer. Dig down into my skid steer. Down in my skid steer. Dig down into my skid steer. Dig down into my skid steer. Woo! That was so much fun learning about skid steers today with you. If you want to watch more of my videos, you know what to do. Yep, just search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! Good job. Well, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun.
See you later. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And today we're at Las Vegas Mini Grand Prix. And the great thing about this place is it has rides. Whoa, like this. This is the airplane ride. I think you and I should ride it. Here we go. Okay, once you're in the airplane, you need to buckle up. But once you're buckled up, you're ready to ride. Here we go. Whoa! Yeah! It's like we're flying in the air. Whee! I'm a bird. Coo! 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 Wait a second, I'm not a bird. I'm a plane. That was so much fun riding this airplane ride. Ooh. Yeah, this airplane that we just rode, yeah, this was the color yellow. Let's see what other ones there are. Ooh, look at this airplane. This airplane is the color orange. Ooh, and its name is Stinger, like a scorpion. Come on. Airplane is the color blue. Ooh, and its name is Maverick. Yeah, like a bird. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh. Okay, come on. I wonder what this ride does. We're spinning so fast and going around. Whoa. 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 Whee. Hello. We're going around a really large circle, see? We keep rotating around this center thing, just like how the Earth rotates around the sun. And then we're also spinning around like this. Whoa! 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 Wow! I am really dizzy now. Whoa! Whoa! That was so much fun riding that ride that just kept spinning around and going in the air. Woo. Wow! Thank you so much for riding it with me. Let's go ride another ride. Ooh, now we're at the top of the big slide. So to go down, you have to put your bag down right here. Then you sit down, put your feet in the hole, and whenever you're ready, you go. Whoa! 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 Whee! Whoa! Yeah, good job! That was so much fun! That was really fun riding that dragon coaster. Woo woo! Oh, hey, it's me, Blippi. And today we are at Live, Love, Play in Los Angeles, California. Woo! I am so happy to be playing here today. Wait a second, do you see that smiley face? Oh, come here. This is a smiley face, and it is so happy. Woo. You and I are gonna learn about emotions today. And right now, I am happy. Okay, let's go play inside, come on. All right, come on inside. Whoa! Look at this place. It is so tall. Whoa! First things first, I have to take off my shoes. All right, one shoe. And 2 shoes. Come here. Whoa. Oh, hey, look. More emotions. And this is an excited emotion. Oh, I am so excited to be playing in here with you. Okay. Ooh, look, a slide. slide. Oh. Whoa. Meet me at the bottom. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! That was awesome. Come on. Whoa. Whoa. Woo. Wait, look at this. It's a beautiful couch. Watch. Wait a second. No time for napping. It's time for playing. Ooh, look. Looks like a kitchen. What do you want to cook? Okay. Put the pots and pans. Ooh, yum. Ooh, corn. Ooh, chicken. Turn on the heat. Eat. Come on. Oh, hey, a dolphin. Will you act like a dolphin with me? Oh, that's so much fun. Ooh, come over here. Look. Wow, a big yellow slide. Let's go slide down it. Come on. Whoa! Whoa! These have 3 colors on them. Blue, light green, and green. Wow, so colorful. Come on. Okay. Okay, this is where the slide is. Come on. I'm so mad! Hey, look! Mad! Here's another emotion. Ooh. Do you see this? Yeah, this is mad. And I just tripped and fell, and I hurt my knee, and it made me mad. Mad's that feeling when you have like smoke coming out your ears, and your head gets so red. It's okay to get mad, but when you're mad, you need to take some breaths. Ready? Okay, I'm not mad anymore. Let's go play some more. Bye-bye, Mad. Ooh. Ooh, we're at the top of the yellow slide. All right, are you ready? Here I go. Whoa! Okay, your turn. Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Good job! Big yellow slide was awesome! Ooh, let's see what else there is around here. Oh, hey! Little places where you can do your makeup. Ha, so pretty. All right. Ooh, look at this. This is a princess castle. Whoa. Another one. Ooh, looks like a lounge. Ooh, a massive bed. Oh. Wait a second. Do you recognize this? Yeah. Remember? Oh, yeah. This is where I took a nap. Okay, here I go. Wait a second. No time for napping. It's time for playing. Come on. on. Oh, whoa, look. Rah, a big excavator. Ooh, and some blocks. Red blocks, yellow, blue, green. Let's stack them on top of each other. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's awesome. Come on. Oh, I'm getting dizzy. Oh. Wow. See this? This is a trampoline. Whee, whee, you can jump on it. Whoa. Whee. Look, I'm jumping. Whoa. 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 Blippi! Whoa. Bye. I just got surprised. Did you see that? Yeah, surprised. Oh, look. Whoa! Whoa! Surprised is when an unexpected event happens. Like that. Did you see that? Dee Dee just jumped out and said, Blippi! Okay, come on. Ooh, a tunnel. Here I go. Hey! Whoa. Whoa! Look at this! This is a pyramid. And that's a shape, a 3D shape. See how it's a triangle? Yeah. Yeah, a pyramid. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Another pyramid. That's so cool. Whoa, look at this. This is a spiked ball. It's a sphere with green spikes on it. Here, come here, I have something to tell you. Whoa! I almost got you. Whoa! Okay, enough of that. Good job. Ooh, wait a second. Do you see that? That yellow slide through there? Whoa, goes around and around and around and around in circles. I think you and I should go to the top and then I'll go slide down it. Come on. Whoa, look down it. You see that? Okay, I'll slide down there. Hello, here I come. Okay, see you at the bottom. Whoa! Well, I think it's time to go. It makes me so sad just knowing we have to go now. Look. I'm so sad. And see this right here? This is sad. Because I'm sad. Because I can't play anymore. Sad's that feeling when you just want to cry. But wait a second. I think I have a little bit more time to go down the slide one last time. Come on. This is gonna be awesome. Okay, I'm gonna go to the top and then slide down. Get ready. Okay, here I come. Whee! Whoa! Yeah! Ooh, look at what it is. Ah! More emotions. It was so so fun learning about emotions with you. Hey, this is a piñata. I think before we go, I should whack it, break it open, and see what's inside. Are you ready? Whoa. All right, here I go. Whoa. Okay. Well, thanks so much for playing with me at Live, Love, Play in Los Angeles, California. Well, this is the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Let's spell my name together. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. Good job. See ya. Bye-bye. Oh, hey, it's me, Blippi. How are you doing today? I'm doing awesome. Oh, what's behind me? This right here? Yeah, this machine is a wheel loader. And today, you and I are gonna learn about wheel loaders. I sure do love wheel loaders. Before we do anything else with this wheel loader, we need some safety equipment. The first thing I need is a hard hat. Oh, hey. Pretty please? Oh, thank you. All right, got my hard hat on. Now I need a safety vest. Ooh, a bright orange safety vest. When you have the, you can go now. When you have a bright orange safety vest on, it makes it so machines and their operators can see you. All right, here we go. Now let's learn the parts of the wheel loader. Come on. Whoa, look at this. This is the bucket of the wheel loader, and it is a really big bucket. Let's check out the inside of it. Wow, it's so big in here. It's pretty roomy. Maybe I could lay down and take a nap. Wait a second. No time for napping, because you and I need to learn the parts of a wheel loader. Ooh, like this. This is the loader frame, and it holds the bucket, and look up there. That's what powers everything. That is a really big hydraulic cylinder. Whoa, look at this. This is a big wheel and a big tire. And you see this on the tire? Yeah, this is called tread. And what it does is make sure when you're driving on mud, you don't slip and slide. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, come on. Whoa, see up there? That's the cab. That's where the operator of the wheel loader sits. Check this out. I'm gonna go up there. Hello! Hi! I'm so high up here, and you're so low down there. All right, I'll come down now. Wow. Wonder what else there is on this wheel loader. Hey, like this. This is where the engine of the wheel loader is. Let's open it up. I can't find how to open up the engine compartment.
Well, Blippi, I'm glad you've asked.
Oh,
The switch is right here.
now that's what I call ground line serviceability. Okay, now let's check the oil. All right. Okay. Whoa, that's a really big dipstick. Whoa, huh, and it looks like the oil is perfect. So let's put the dipstick back, and now that it's back, we can take it for a spin. Alrighty, now let's head to the top of the wheel loader so we can operate it. But I need to tell you about the rule of 3 points of contact. That means since we have 4 limbs, 1, 2, 3, 4, we need to have 3 of these touching the machine at all times. All right, here we go. Yeah, we did it! Whoa, we are inside the wheel loader now. Wow, we're so high up. It's a great view up here. Wow. Oh, okay, let me show you the parts inside the wheel loader. But first, what we have to do is put on our seatbelt. Okay, good job. All right, so this right here is the steering wheel and steering column. It even can go down and up. Whoa, whoa. However you like it. Ooh, and look at this. This is the gear shifter. This determines what gear you're in, how fast you're gonna go. And this kind of looks like a joystick. Yeah, but this operates the front bucket. If you pull it back, it all raises. If you push it forward, it lowers. If you go left and right, it tilts up and down, so then you can scoop, scoop, scoop. All right, here I go. Yeah! It has been so much fun learning about wheel loaders with you.